Hello there, welcome to my studio in North Wales, UK. My name's David Walker, I'm a professional artist. I've been an artist for over 30 years. Over those 30 years I've done demos all over the UK, live demos, and now I've decided to do my demo tutorials on Udemy to reach a worldwide audience. I'm going to show you how to paint watercolours properly, like a professional. We're going to paint pictures to illustrate it rather than just bits and bats here and there. We're going to end up with a couple of nice paintings. So I'm going to teach you how to be bold, how to get the colour on the paper rather than worrying about the outcome. And I'm going to show you how to get stuck in. I love watercolours. I'm going to talk about watercolours every chance I get because I absolutely love it. In this course I'm going to show you how to paint this beautiful picture of the poppies at Pensarn, which is just up the beach from where we live in North Wales, and across the bay there you can see the Great Orme in the background, and I'll show you how to use the watercolours to create the distance for the Great Orme and how to make the poppies in the foreground. You can see the finished picture in the photograph by the side here. So if you want to have a go at painting the Pensarn poppies, this is the course for you. You can ask any questions. If you get stuck, you can ask me a question in the Q&A section. And the other thing is, you've got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like the course, you get your money back, nothing lost. Don't think you will, though. All right, so sign up and I'll see you in the first lesson. See you now.